Grand Rising. Today I want to talk about how to manifest while you sleep. How to manifest while you sleep. If you do enjoy self-love videos, make sure to subscribe. I'm going to upload videos every Thursday. Imagination creates all reality. If you're looking forward to manifesting or attracting something in your human experience, you can do this while you're sleeping. So it's important to understand that your subconscious mind does not turn off. It is constantly going 24/7. So you're actually going to be awake 2/3 of the day, and then the other third, you're going to be sleeping. So while you're sleeping, you're going to plant seeds in your subconscious mind and allow your subconscious mind to do all the work. So your subconscious mind is your power. So your conscious mind impresses your subconscious and your subconscious expresses. So your subconscious mind is going to give you an external experience. So this is going to change your 3D world. Are you with me? So if you're looking through your eyes and you don't see exactly what you desire, you can absolutely change it. It doesn't matter whether it's $1 million, $10 million, whether it's a fancy car, a yacht, whether it's health, love, peace, freedom, abundance. You can have all that. Somebody else has it right now, and so can you. And the reason you don't have it is because you refuse to believe so. So we're told that all things are possible to God, and God is your consciousness, and then we're told that all things are possible to him who believes. So you are the believer, and you have a conscious and a subconscious mind. So what we want to do now is we want to let our subconscious mind do all the work while we're resting and while we're sleeping. So the first thing that you want to do is become very specific on what you want. So ask yourself, what is it that I desire right now? There's no limitations. Absolutely no limitations. There's no restrictions. You can have exactly what you want. Write it down on a piece of paper. Write it down present tense, first person, as if you have already received it. So if you want peace, write it down. I am so grateful for my peace. Thank you. I am so grateful for peace in my life. Thank you. So you can write something like that, whatever makes you feel good. And what you want to do is, once you have done everything that you need to do throughout the day, whether it's texting your friends, watching your favorite TV show, checking your social media, paying your bills, spending time with your family and kids. Once you've done all that and it's time to go to bed, you want to take a deep breath, breathe in, that's 1, breathe out, that's 2. So you want to do this to the count of 10. So it's going to help you become receptive and you're going to go into a meditative state. So what you want to do now is, once you're relaxed, you're not worried or occupied with anything else, you want to start to visualize and imagine yourself having peace in your life. So this peace in your life could be accompanied by a feeling. So ask yourself, how would I feel right now if I had peace in my life? So that feeling that you get when you ask yourself, that's your magic power. So that feeling, you want to embody that feeling as long as you can. And if you can't just feel peaceful or free, then what we're going to do now is we're going to create an imaginal scene that implies that we do have that peace, that we do have that freedom. So what would you be doing right now if you had peace in your life? What would you be doing right now if you had freedom in your life? So you want to create a mental scene. You want to create a short movie clip that implies that you are doing that right now. So when you're doing this, don't forget to add your senses. So you might be smelling something, you might be touching something, you might be seeing something. So you want to add your five senses to it as much as you can. If you just want to do a taste, then you just want to do the taste, that's fine. So you want to do it very simple. So you're going to create an imaginal scene, and then you're going to create a tone of reality. So you're going to make it feel as real as possible. So if you were trying to attract or manifest a brand new car in your life, how would you feel? Ask yourself. So if you're driving right now in your brand new car, you should be able to feel the steering wheel. Maybe hear your keys. Maybe it's raining outside while you're driving and you can hear the raindrops on your car. Maybe it's sunny outside. You can feel the heat on your skin. Maybe it's very windy and you have your windows rolled down in your new car. You can hear that wind. You have your best friend riding with you telling you congratulations on your new car. Congratulations on your freedom and your peace. And what you want to do is, once you create this scene, it has to feel good for you. So you want to create a scene that makes you feel good. What you want to do now is you want to embody the feeling that it's giving you, and you want to fall asleep, and you want to fall asleep in this state of consciousness. And that's all you have to do. That's it. Tomorrow, when you wake up, you're going to be led across a bridge of incidents or a series of events. So if you do want that new car tomorrow, you might hear people talking about it. Remember, everybody is yourself pushed out. So you might start seeing this brand new car everywhere. But that doesn't mean you have to stop, imagining, stop affirming. You want to keep doing it. You want to keep doing it. You want to stay in that flow state. So once you go throughout your day and you've already planted the seeds, you don't have to do anything else. You don't have to figure out the ways, the who's, the when. You don't have to figure out all that. Your conscious mind cannot figure out a solution or a formula like your subconscious mind can. So you want to allow God, your consciousness, and the universe to do all the work. All you have to do is believe and have faith the size of a mustard seed. It doesn't require a whole lot. So when you have your imaginal scene, you can replay that imaginal scene throughout the day in your mind, and that is you affirming that you are a believer and you have faith in your desires. You have faith in God and the universe. So whenever you see yourself having something, you are creating a radical change in your mind. So you are revising your past beliefs. So your past beliefs told you, well, you can't have a new car. You don't make enough money. But think about it. God and the universe, they don't have a budget. You're creating the budget for yourself. Are you with me? So remove your carnal mind, your 3D self, your flesh. Remove yourself from the situation and you allow your higher self to bring it to you. So you want to do this for anything that you desire. It may take a week. It may take a month. It may take 6 months. But this is how you plant the seeds. And you know you've done it correctly because you're going to start imagining yourself having this peace, love, freedom, and a brand new car. And your mood's going to change. You're going to feel a rush. You're going to get goosebumps. That's how you know you've done it correctly. If you don't feel any changes, if you're still in a bad mood, that you need to go back inwardly, commune with yourself and imagine again and imagine again. And you imagine again until it becomes a memory. So you truly feel like it already happened. And it did, because all things already exist. You cannot imagine something that does not exist. So if you want to learn how to manifest while you're sleeping, try those steps out. Number 1, write down what you want. You got to be very specific. Number 2, create an imaginal scene that implies that you have your desire. So you can include your pets, your family, your friends. Give it the tones of reality. And number 3, when you wake up the following day, you can recite and you can revisit this imaginal scene in your mind. And that's all you have to do. So remember to get out of the way. Allow God in the universe to bring you everything that you desire. So when I say manifest, you're not creating something, you're attracting it into your human experience. All things already exist in the spiritual world. So you don't have to worry about calculating some fancy formula to get this car, to get a certain amount of money. All you have to do is use the law of assumption. So you're assuming that you already have it. We're also told that in Scripture, when you have a desire and you pray, believe that you have already received it and you will. So that is the law of assumption. Albert Einstein tells us the same exact thing. Imagination is everything. It is the preview to life's coming attractions. So nobody can see your imagination but you. And that's because it was given to you. So whenever you have these desires and you want to see a change in life, don't start telling people about it. It's none of their business. Their limited mindset is going to bring you down. They're going to start questioning you. Where are you going to get this money? You don't know any rich people. Are you with me? So they're going to start questioning these things because they don't believe in their imagination. Now you can disprove me. I'm telling you, your imagination creates all reality. You can disprove me. You can try to prove me wrong. So tonight, before you go to bed, allow your subconscious mind to manifest for you while you sleep. Become very specific on what you want and then make life happen. Where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. Make sure to stay to the end of this video. I do have 2 amazing recommended videos for you guys to watch. Life is good. If you did like this video and it resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Go out there and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.